Hello, we are going to start the valuations module and we're going to start with the contract particulars. When you open it, you'll see the general tab which has the description of work, which would have come from the original input on the bill side, and certain other, the employer, the architect, the quantity surveyors, and now you would have a new participant which would be the principal contractor, and you can put him in there. And it's not a government contract. If it is, you would tick there. That's a South African government contract. And is it a FIDIC contract? You tick there. Or if it's a contract type with retention, you tick there, and with JBCC, you tick here. Let's just select a retention contract for the sake of the exercise. Then you go to your contract sum tab and you'll see that you have your VAT here. The contract sum would have been filled in from the price bill data, and you want to calculate retention, yes, whether you want a retention fund or not. And the retention calculations are to be on work executed, materials on site, materials off site, and escalation. And if they are on day works and variations, you can tick those as well. So it calculates the amount of maximum contract retention, which is 10%, with a maximum of 5. You may adjust these amounts as you see fit. And then moving on to the contract dates, we have filled those in. That's simply using a date selector, and then the commencement of the work and the practical completion, and it tells you that it's a 9-month contract. Then your adjustments for the cost price adjustment for the builder's work is either using CPAP Haylett if you are in South Africa, where those indices are published. You can have a fixed price, you can add in a lump sum, or you can choose to have a percentage, and it will add that percentage to the value of each certificate. Alright, so we'll just go fixed price at this stage. Your preliminaries, valuation of the preliminaries, you can say pro rata to the value of the work done, a schedule of agreed amounts per certificate, or you will enter them yourself. Alright, whether this is a management fee, there's none. If there was a percentage, you would put it in, or whether they are agreed amounts, you set the agreed amounts for each valuation. In this case, we'll say there is no management fee. Then your valuations, the overvaluation box is for if you have 100 and a quantity of 100 and the operator puts in 120, it's going to warn him you've gone over the value of the bill, quantity in the bill, which is important. And then once you've got your other details, you go to there and you click generate the evaluation file. You select the package, which is the principal contract. There may be other packages that you've measured, like ceilings, electrical, mechanical, but this is just measured as the principal contract, and click OK. It makes a backup of the file prior to the changes, just in case something goes wrong, and you can retrieve it. So it will go through this